Using Afterpay on Uber Eats is a convenient way to pay for your food orders in installments. To get started, you need to have an Afterpay account and the Uber Eats app on your device. First, open the Uber Eats app and select the food you want to order from your favorite restaurant. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see the available payment options. Select Afterpay as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay login page where you need to enter your Afterpay login credentials. If you do not have an Afterpay account, you can sign up for one from this page. After logging in, you will be asked to confirm your payment details. Afterpay will then split your payment into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You will not be charged any interest, but late fees may apply if you miss a payment. Make sure to review the payment schedule before confirming your order. Once you have confirmed your payment details, you will be redirected back to the Uber Eats app. Your order will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation email with the details of your order and payment schedule. To manage your Afterpay account and keep track of your payments, you can use the Afterpay app. The app allows you to view your payment schedule, make payments, and update your account information. Using Afterpay on Uber Eats is a great way to enjoy your favorite food while managing your finances. Just remember to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. With Afterpay, you can order now and pay later, making it easier to budget for your food expenses.